In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the anode rod in your water heater, shut off the power to the unit and close the water intake valve. You should drain approximately a quarter of the water from the tank by using a flathead screwdriver to open the drain valve. Be aware you should open a hot water faucet in the home to assist in releasing the water from the tank. After draining the necessary water, close the valve. You can now use a 1 1/16 inch socket to help unthread the old anode rod. Use needle nose pliers to help lift the rod out. Prepare the new anode rod for installation by applying some sealant to the threads. Insert the new rod into the tank. Then thread and tighten. Open the water intake valve and allow the tank to refill. Then restore power to the unit, and your water heater should be ready for use.